Nasilayan na ang mural na gawa ng isang Filipino-Canadian na alay sa mga biktima ng Lapu-Lapu Day tragedy sa kauna-unahang Astro Arts Festival sa Vancouver. Silipin natin ang imahe at kahulugan nito sa report ni Rhea Santos.
Ang bakanteng pader na ito sa Vancouver, tahanan ng mural na tinawag na Pag-alala at Pag-asa, alay sa mga biktima ng trahedya noong Lapu-Lapu Day.
As I was creating it, I was also moving through a lot of grief and healing.
Inilunsad ang mural ng Filipino-Canadian na si Mara Cortez sa kauna-unahang Astro Arts Festival sa Vancouver na naganap nitong weekend. Si Cortez ang natatanging Pilipino sa 12 artists na binigyan ng espasyo para gumawa ng mural.
I was really nervous about showing them the concept of the mural, but to be honest, everyone has been really supportive. I mean, as an artist, that's how I process big emotions, and so me creating this work and being intentional about relating it back to my culture, my community, as well as a tribute to the victims has been really helpful for me.
Inspirasyon ni Cortez sa mural na ito ang sinaunang burial jar ng mga ninuno ng mga Pilipino na tinatawag na mananggal jar at ang balangay o sinaunang bangka ng mga Pilipino. Sa bangka makikita ang pre-colonial moon goddess na si Mayari at sa likod nito ang 11 imahe ng mga tao na kumakatawan sa 11 pumanaw noong Lapu-Lapu Day tragedy. Sinasalamin nito ang mapayapang paglalakbay sa kabilang buhay at ang patuloy na pagmamalasakit sa isa't isa ng mga naiwan.
Just because growing up as a Filipino in Canada, I didn't see like a lot of representation in like street art and like public art. So it's really cool now being able to walk around Mount Pleasant and see this amazing piece of artwork in our city. So it makes me feel honored, excited to see this opportunity here because I feel like we'll eventually in the future have a lot more Filipino art all over the city. I think this is what the city needs more of, more art, more culture, more spaces for people to express themselves.
It's been a lot of community support and community help for us to get this off the ground.
When I was making this mural, I was really holding on to hope, and the story of it is really just to provide hope for the community.
Sa pahayag ng Filipino BC, organizer ng Lapu-Lapu Day Block Party at sponsor ng mural ni Cortez, alam daw nila na kailangan gumawa ng espasyo para sa pagdadalamhati ng komunidad, pagkilala sa mga yumao at sama-samang pagbangon. Ang pagsuporta raw sa vision ni Mara ay paraan para sabihing hindi kami makakalimot. Makikita ito sa Astro Arts Club sa 4th Avenue sa Vancouver. Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.